It was the COA notice of disallowance is not final, and it's not final. It can be appealed in the Supreme Court, in the courts. Pero alam nyo, lumabas yun, wala pang araw kopya ang Office of the Vice President.
How about the AMLAC report, sir?
AMLAC report, it's an agreement. It's not conclusive. I don't think that yet. Ang tingin ko lang, medyo, kung ako lang yung honest opinion ko, ang medyo pwede lang ang tingnan doon yung non-disclosure ng cash asset.
You
Yun
will
lang.
not participate, sir?
I
Meaning
will
no
not
vote
dignify
or abstain?
the committee dahil tingin ko hindi naman talaga accountability ang purpose.
Sir, how about the SALN na wala po siyang bank deposit?
Yun na nga. Sa tingin ko, yun ang pinaka. Pero just the same, nakita ko nga na weaponize lahat nung
Yung sa ano na declaration, yun